Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I am just getting ready over here. We are doing our lemon balm tea, our cherry chocolate smoothie, and our celery juice, supplements. I am going to take you along today for a what I eat in a day when I'm on the go to still make sure that I'm getting enough protein with PCOS. I'm running to a facial this morning and then I am getting my hair done this afternoon. We're gonna get the color touched up. I'll show you what exactly I eat for different meals as I'm like running in and out of the house. We might pick up lunch later. We'll see how we're doing on time. I always have an idea of what I might eat during the day, but when we're running around with appointments and we don't know what time we'll be back, that can kind of adjust. So I'll share that process with you and how I decide exactly what I'm gonna eat. I am going to wrap up drinking my smoothie and my tea because we gotta go. We are going to be late if not, and we'll go from there. I just remembered that I have turkey bacon that's open, so we are going to make some real quick. We have about 10 minutes max before I need to leave, so we're gonna do this very quickly. I also got a new vlogging camera. I'm so excited. I have been using my phone, as you could probably maybe tell, my front camera of my phone. It's amazing that you can get started on YouTube just with your phone. Honestly, I felt really excited about YouTube and where it's been going so far, and I'm just having so much fun creating the videos and connecting with everyone. So I decided it was time to get a legit camera, and here we are. I got this cool one. It is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I will link it down below in case you want to check it out. I am loving it so far. It can just do so many cool things. I hope you appreciate the quality of the videos because we are now shooting in 4K and we're gonna see how that goes. Okay guys, we are here. I'm gonna go inside and we'll see if we can film a little bit. This is Val. She is the best facialist ever. I've been going to her since I moved to Austin, so I think it's been like 5 years, almost going on 5 years probably. She is so fantastic. Her energy is amazing and she's so talented. Sure my skin was all juiced up because I have a work trip to Utah next week and it's gonna be really cold. She is the best. I just love when I get to spend time with her. She is a literal angel. I will link her place Potion down in the description box in case you're in Austin. Jimmy and I were gonna grab some lunch at Sweet Cream, but he had a meeting pop up, so we are gonna make some lunch at home, and I have plenty of time before my hair appointment actually, so it's perfect. We have some quinoa and a salad meal prepped, and we have some black beans meal prepped, so I'm gonna make a quesadilla with that. Lunch is all ready. I have my salad. I have the quinoa on the bottom for some added protein. I also did pumpkin seeds for extra protein. And then we have our black bean quesadillas, some dairy-free ricotta, and we used the siete burrito-sized tortillas for these. So we're gonna have that. I'm also gonna use some of the siete jalapeno sauce. This green one is really, really good. I'm gonna go sit down and relax because I've been running around a little bit. I wanna make sure I'm nice and calm while I'm eating. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I just got back from getting my hair done. We just did some color, didn't need to do a cut today. She does the best styling. I don't know how she does it, but the waves always come out so cute. I'm very excited to have fresh, nice hair. And then I got a facial, feeling very pampered today, which is nice. We're back home right now and we are going to start dinner. We are making some paleo chicken tenders. So like I want to go for a crispy chicken tender feel. I'm trying to decide what I want to make with it. I think we might do quinoa and salad just because we have that ready and I feel like that would be nice to go with the crispy, crunchy chicken tenders. I'm gonna get settled and then we'll start that soon. Hey guys, I'm back. So we are just about to start making dinner. We're going to make some chicken tenders. We're going to use, what would you call these? Strips, breast strips. We're gonna use those that are pre-cut and then I'll show you what we're doing. We're going to put an egg in one bowl whisked up and then in the other bowl we're going to put some almond flour, some coconut flour, and some spices. We'll dredge the chicken into the egg and then we'll pull it through the flour spice mix and put it on a parchment lined baking sheet and then we're going to bake it in the oven so that it gets crispy. Now we're going to make some honey mustard sauce to dip these in. So we're going to use mustard, a quarter cup of that. And now we're going to take some pure raw local honey, about half the amount that we did of the mustard. Mix that up. It's really, really good. Similar to what I did for lunch, I'm gonna use some of our quinoa that we have prepped. We're gonna heat that up to eat with the chicken, and then we are going to do salad. We like to do what we call fancy salad, where we take some of the gluten-free bread that we love. We save the ends of it because like, no one really likes to eat the ends of bread, right? Tell me if I'm wrong, but I don't like to eat the ends of bread. So what we do is we save them and then we make croutons out of them. So we just cut them up, put them in some olive oil and put some spices on them and then toast them in the toaster oven and we throw them in salad and it is so tasty. So we're gonna make some fancy salad. Here is how they came out, and they look really, really good. Do a little taste test. They're like perfectly cooked. These chicken tenders came out so good. They are nice and crispy, but still really tender on the inside. The dressing is perfect for the salad, the quinoa, and the chicken. We're gonna go ahead and eat dinner, and then I'll show you what we make for dessert. I'm gonna make some mug cakes. dessert, we have our healthy mug cakes that I made with protein powder. Normally I don't make these with protein powder, but I wanted to get a little extra protein in today. These are really, really tasty. Gonna have these with some my favorite coconut yogurt, Coco June. This one is so good. Jimmy just cut up some strawberries that look really tasty, so we're gonna combine them all up together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful to see what I eat in a day when I'm on the go to still get enough protein, especially with PCOS. If this was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to see more health and wellness content. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye guys.